Today we are doing a vehicle start test on a Springbuck armored personnel carrier, manufactured by DCD Protected Mobility. With its 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, the Springbuck armored personnel carrier, manufactured by DCD Protected Mobility, is the ideal platform to start with the 40 amp-hour Titan 40 battery. This is another proof of the versatility of the Titan 40 battery, manufactured by Megatitan Power. Contact Megatitan for batteries to start any vehicles or aircraft that will last longer and is safer than any other battery chemistry.